So how can you make your iPad screen brighter? Let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, obviously the most common thing is to go to the brightness controller in the control center and you can just bump it up, right? But if that's not enough, it is quite likely that you have some other settings in place which prevent the full brightness of taking effect. For example, you can go to the settings and then find the accessibility section. In there, you can check out the display and a text size, and there is one option which is called the reduce white point. And this, when you enable it, offers you like a different slider, which kind of like reduces the white light, but in fact, it just dials down the brightness, right? And this is independent of the brightness slider, right? So it's like a separate setting which might dim the display even though you bump up the brightness as usual, right? So if you want to make sure your iPad is as bright as it can be, I recommend turning off the reduce white point altogether to make sure you get the most out of your screen. And since we are already in here, at the bottom we also have the auto brightness toggle. And this is obviously just changing the brightness automatically based on your surrounding. But if you feel like your iPad isn't bright enough, it might be because the screen just gets dimmed automatically sometimes, right? So if you want to have the full control over your brightness, turn it off as well, and only the thing that you set up in the control center will take effect. So I really hope that I could help you out with this. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you want, but most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.